in addition to the data quality score, we wanted to give our users some options for things that they can actually work on in terms of raising that data quality score. So now there's a lot of things, but we have, as part of this dashboard, what we call fix-it utilities. And that's what you see right over here in this summary section of top issues and actions. Now, some of yours are gonna look a little bit different, but you're always gonna see an option for the inactive pick list values and the inactive owners. And then some of you might also see the enable, undo, restore, or enable a real-time filter, or if you're in a multi-user account and you haven't set up multi-users in the account, you might see some of those actions in this section down below here. But let's focus first on these two items, and let me explain to you why we added them to the data quality score. In our history of working with data quality and thinking about managing the data in Salesforce and working on deduping and converting records and just making Salesforce work better for you, two of the most common issues we have seen that prevent or block the work that Cloudingo is trying to do is inactive pick lists or inactive record owners. And that is based on some Salesforce governance regulations that it does. So let me give you a couple of examples. If you are attempting to merge duplicate records that are owned by inactive users, Salesforce requires that you actually update ownership on those records before it will allow the merge. And if you don't update the ownership, the merge fails. Similarly with inactive pick lists, if you have an inactive value in a pick list and you're trying to update or merge that record, Salesforce says, no, you can't do that unless you also update the pick list value. Right? So what happens then is that you might be submitting these merges time and time again. They're failing each time. And if you don't have your activity stream window open here, if you have that folded up and you can't see it, you don't realize that those failures are happening. If you're not checking that report, you don't realize those failures are happening. So again, you're just processing data. It's a higher level, longer term data quality issue. And so we've given you some utilities to work on that. These again do also impact your data quality score.